Hello and good morning, muscle car lovers, classic car lovers. This is Adam at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning I am going to show you this beautiful 1968 Dodge Charger. Yes, that's right, 68 Dodge Charger. And look at this car. This car is absolutely beautiful. It is red with a black vinyl top. Woo! Look at this baby. Ain't she pretty? 68 was always one of my favorite years, these Chargers. I don't think there is a bad year, but 68 was one of my favorite years, or probably my favorite year. I like the taillights in the 68s. They're pretty cool. Hard to find 68s. You don't see them every day. They don't come up for sale every day. And this car is absolutely amazing shape. Now this car doesn't have the huge engine in it. It is a 318 engine underneath the hood. As far as I know, it is a numbers matching drivetrain on this car. Not been all souped up. This car has power steering, power brakes. It has factory air conditioning. Look down the sides of this car, super straight, super nice body, paint, door gaps, panel alignment. It's got the Magnum 500 wheels on it, Goodyear Wingfoot tires. When's the last time you seen some of those? Those are pretty neat. White line Goodyear Wingfoot tires. Very nice car. It does have this spot on the seat that we're going to get this stitched up. Interior's in very good shape. Dome light works. Headliner's in good shape. Sun visors look great. Dash pad's nice. Carpet looks good. It is an automatic car. It is a console car, as you can see. There's your door jambs. This car has never had a rotisserie restoration because, frankly, it's never needed a rotisserie restoration. Very nice car. If you look real close right here, you can see it has a couple. I'm trying to get the camera where you can actually see it. It's got two small little bubbles right there, about the size of a pencil eraser. It's about as good a 68 Charger as I've seen in a long time. Yeah, you can see some rotisserie restorations on these cars that are probably nicer, but man, I tell you what, those cars are $120,000, $150,000. This car is not going to be $120,000. It will be priced by the end of the day, so you will know how much this car is. But just look at how nice this car is. Look how nice and straight this car is down both sides. Couple little spots right here. Had a little small little touch up right here. A couple little chips there in the front of the hood. Hideaway headlights. We're going to go through all that stuff here in a minute and show you how that works. There's your engine compartment. Say power steering. I told you it had power brakes. It does not. It's got power steering, factory air conditioning, and the air conditioning is all there. It's all complete. The belt is not currently on the AC compressor. As you can see, the compressor is not locked up though, so that's a good sign. It has been retrofitted to 134 Freon. The Magnum 500's wheels are in really good shape. Tires got very good tread on them. I would call this a very nice Survivor Charger with one repaint. The clock works. Horn works. Windshield wipers work. It's got a aftermarket radio down here. Down below it lights up. Not sure if it's functioning or not, but your dome lights all work here on the side of your console like they're supposed to. The dome light in the top of the roof works. Left turn signal, right turn signal. Bright headlight indicator. Blower motor seems to be working. Oil pressure gauge, amp gauge, that works. Fuel gauge works. There's your door jambs. Car sounds really, really nice. Light's not working. Probably needs a bulb. Tail lights, side marker lights work. Them bullet side marker lights are really, really cool on these cars. There's your headlights. They work. Your left turn signal. There's your right turn signal. And they also work, listen to that engine. The engine just purrs like a kitten. They also work there in the hood. If you're looking for a 1968 Charger, look no further. Here it is. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, KinyonAuto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N Auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade collector cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every single day. So do not be afraid to give us a call. If you have something to sell, you want to buy this car or maybe something else that we have in stock. We're very honest. We go through all these cars with you. We go through them together while we have them here on the table. Trying to get the trunk open on this car. There we go. It's got a car cover in the trunk.
I can grab that up.
Spare tires in there, nicely painted inside the trunk too. There's your jack, all that stuff's in the right spot. Just a really, really nice car. Very well preserved, very well presented. Beautiful, beautiful 1968 Dodge Charger. Charger, it was one of my favorite muscle cars of all time, and here lately I've had quite a few of these Chargers. And do not hesitate, do not wait on this car. If you're interested in this car, give us a call today, because this car will not be here. This car will not last a week here at Kenyon Classics. This car will be gone, it will be sold. Very hard to find, so please give us a call. Let's take this car out for a ride. Go down the highway. We'll show you what she's got. Show you how she rides. Show you how she drives. My man Travis here is going to run the
All right.
camera. We're going to rock and roll. We got a few cars to video today and take pictures of, get marketed, so we're going to be busy doing that today. Beautiful fall day here in Iowa. We bought this car locally and we drove it home about 50 miles.
Yeah, it's a bad road to take a test drive on, but it's what we got that's close. So the speedometer seems to be right on 60 mile an hour. Seems to be just exactly what we're doing. So turn around here at our normal turnaround spot. Now this car isn't a big engine car, so I mean it's not a 383 or 440 in this thing, so it's got a smaller engine in it, but it still sounds great, still runs great. And we did not edit that. Yes, we went to stop and it died. Started right back up, no problem. We bought this car from said this car will get 20 plus miles a gallon driving down the highway, so that's one benefit of not having a 500-600 horse engine underneath the hood. You can drive it, you can enjoy it, and you can still, it's not going to break your pocketbook to own it and drive it. So I see it, we got our speedometer on there. It says we're going right around 60 and his says 62 to 63, so it's a couple mile an hour slow on the speedometer, so that's nice to know. Give us a call today, 563-452-2450, Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, www.kenyonauto.com for all your muscle cars and classic car needs. We are one of the #1 classic car dealers in the Midwest. Give us a call today. I appreciate you watching all our videos. We'll be right back at you with another great video.